family left me, not officially or forever, but for a few days. They went up to the cabin up north, and I decided that I was gonna stay home and rest up a little bit. Christmas was great. We had an awesome time with family, but I kind of hurt my hip a little bit doing some exercises. So I needed a couple days of recoup. So that meant me staying home while the family went up to the cabin, and that also meant that I had to do farm chores. Actually, the family's been really nice. They did a bunch of the chores before they left. They made sure the animals had plenty of food and plenty of water, and they gave me a little trick in how to milk the goats without actually milking them. Come on, Luna, you're up. Let's go. Come on. On delay. Come on. Let's go. Push those goats out of the way. You are the queen, Luna. You get to go first. Go. Here's the problem with Luna. She never wants to go up by herself. She always wants you to lead her. Okay, I'll lead you. Okay, go. Okay, back up. Okay, ready? She's excited. She knows what's coming. Are you ready for this? Now, normally, Luna would not feed a baby goat, she would kick, but for some reason she has decided to be nice to Frida if we give her food. So far we have progressed from Frida not eating a bottle to Frida eating a bottle to, oh, come here. That's okay, you're okay, come on. To now eating from Luna. So, hey, that works, right? Are you all done? Luna's our oldest goat we have here on the farm. She's one of our original goats. She's a Nubian, but we've since transitioned over to Nigerians because we like the flavor of the milk better. So Luna, we're kind of phasing out of her milking time here on the farm. Her milk is almost done. And so we thought, hey, this is a perfect opportunity. Frida gets pushed out of the way by the other two strong siblings. So let's see if Luna will feed her. So far it's working. And bonus, I don't really have to do the milking while my family's gone because Frida's taking care of that for me. And Doris is with her other two babies, and so Doris's milk is being taken care of too. Are you all done? That was a lot of milk. That was a lot of milk. Oh, I think Luna's done with you. I really like feeding a new mama and her baby goats this chaff hay because I think it's really great for their digestive systems. You'll notice a lot of babies will get diarrhea, a lot of moms will get stomach issues. It's pretty common in goats. So I really like giving that to them. It's a little bit on the pricey side. I think where we live, I can get it for like $15 for a bag, and that's supposed to be an equivalent to a bale. But I love it because it's this fermented hay that does wonders for their digestive systems. And when you're switching a new baby goat from milk to hay, a lot of them get bloating and get issues. I've noticed when their very first food is chaff hay, we don't have those issues. But now they're not interested in that. They're interested in chewing on me. You didn't want to eat anymore, huh? Well, I'm done with the chores. It wasn't that hard thanks to Luna. And I'm just gonna get ready for my family to come home. So they come home in just a couple hours and it's back to real life. Hope y'all had a great Christmas. I don't know about you, but I'm glad the holidays are over so we can get back to real life and exciting new projects. So we'll see you later. Bye.